This is Jim Edgar from JustAskJimVO.studio, and I had a little extra information about setting up Ocenaudio on a Mac OSX system. One of the things that can actually happen when you do this is you can run into a little trouble from the Apple security settings. So I'm just going to run through basically going to the Ocenaudio site, clicking on the appropriate download, watching it download to your local computer, and then double-clicking on that in order to get the DMG file to open up, walk you through the agreement that most people don't really read, and then actually let it go through the setup and create the full file on your local computer. Once you do that, you get this very simple drag and drop type window where you drag the icon and it ends up specifically in your applications folder. At this point, you'd think that you should just be able to double click on it, or if you had it in the dock, click on the dock and open it up. In fact, what happens when you do that is you get a warning. This is a security system alert telling you that you're trying to download something from an unidentified developer. And this is not quite as scary as it sounds, and it directs you to your system preferences. Now, when you click on the security and privacy settings, what you end up with is a set of 3 different choices. And you can override that and actually directly click and tell it to go ahead and open Ocenaudio. However, you'll find that actually doesn't work. So if you double click again, it won't do it, even though you push that button. What you actually have to do is tell the system that you'd like to let it open things from, and I quote, anywhere. When you do that and double click on it, it'll actually open up Ocenaudio, let you go through the setup steps that I go through in the other video. Luckily, this is one of those things that you really only have to do once. The first time that you allow Ocenaudio to open, it then gains permission from your system, or at least it does up through Mac OSX El Capitan, and it'll simply open up from here on forward after you go through that step. All you have to do is remember to go ahead and set that back to your regular settings, and you'll be fine moving forward. Now, the other thing is you'll probably have to go through that same step every time Ocenaudio goes through an update and you reinstall it. Nevertheless, it's one of those steps that can hang up people if they haven't seen it before. So thanks a lot. Hope that makes sense. And if you have any questions, please contact me through the site. Thank you.